If you need to view your Calendly bookings quickly, this tutorial will show you exactly where to go and how to find the details you need in just a few clicks. Whether you want to check a single meeting, review an invitee's information, or filter bookings by date or status, Calendly makes it easy once you know where to look. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account using your regular sign-in details. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Meetings. This is where Calendly keeps your booking and meeting information organized. After that, you'll see a list of your scheduled bookings. To view the full details of any booking, simply click on the meeting you want to open. When you do that, Calendly will show you important information such as the invitee's name, their email address, the date, the time, and the meeting details. This is helpful if you need to confirm who booked the meeting, check when it's scheduled, or review any notes related to the event. If you have a lot of bookings, you can make things even easier by using the filters. Calendly lets you filter bookings by event type, by date, or by status, so you can narrow down the exact meeting you're looking for instead of scrolling through everything manually. For example, if you only want to see one type of appointment, choose that event type. If you want to check bookings from a specific day or week, use the date filter. And if you're trying to find upcoming, past, or cancelled meetings, the status filter can save you time. This is especially useful if you manage a busy calendar and need to stay organized. Once you find the booking you want, click it to open the full record and review all the details carefully. That's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can view your Calendly bookings, check invitee information, and filter your meetings exactly the way you need. If you found this helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.